Hello everybody, welcome to our channel, Rebecca, Stu, and the crew. I'm Rebecca and today we're going to make this Dollar Tree succulent planter. Before we get started, if you haven't subscribed, I'd really appreciate it if you would consider doing so. And here are the supplies we're going to use for this project. 1 pack of the salt and pepper shakers from Dollar Tree and one of their wooden DIY trinket boxes. We're also going to use some of their succulents. You can use any succulent of your choice. They have many options to choose from at the Dollar Tree. You'll also need a paintbrush and some white and some brown paint. Now I'm using the paint I have on hand, but Dollar Tree does sell paint, so that paint will work. You're also going to need some twine as well as some ribbon. I'm going to use some buffalo plaid ribbon in my project, and then I'm also going to use a pair of scissors and hot glue with the clear glue. So let's get crafty. So the first thing I did was remove the lid to the trinket box and set that aside because we're not going to use that for this project. Then we paint the whole entire box inside and out white, and make sure you get around the corners really well. And then taking a dry brush, once the white paint is dry, we're just going to brush on a tiny bit of the brown paint to give it a weathered wood palette look. Once that's done, we just set that aside to dry, and then we remove the lids to the salt and pepper shakers. Now we're going to tie some twine around the lid in a knot, and then once we have that secured, it'll help make it a little bit easier to wrap the twine around the top part of the bottle. So using some hot glue, we're just going to put a little line of hot glue on the side and then just start wrapping that twine around the bottle until we have the whole entire top of that lid covered. Once that's done, we're going to repeat the process to the other bottle, and now we're going to use our dry clears glue stick to make it look like water inside of the jar. So we just fill that up with hot glue about 1/4 of an inch, and then pop our succulents down inside the bottles while the glue is still wet so that it will hold in place. And it's really cute when it dries. It looks like you have water in the bottle there. But they have to be the driest clear glue sticks, or else it just turns the color of the glue stick that you had on hand. So then using some hot glue, we're going to put a few dots of hot glue around the trinket box here so we can put a stripe of this buffalo plaid ribbon all the way around. Once we have that done, all we did was take the ribbon and make a very simple tiny bow to glue that on the center of that ribbon on the box. Then we take both of our salt and pepper shaker planters and put those back in the box, and the whole project is finished. It's super easy, super quick, but really cute, and these look nice just sitting all around the house. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share. I'd really appreciate it. And here are some other videos from our channel you might also enjoy. Have a great night.